This is my SIG Energy Cygen Store 32 kilowatts battery. I've just got it installed. The problem is there's gonna be a lot of sun here. It's facing northwest, so it's gonna get a lot of sun throughout the day. So I'm gonna be making a shade for this. So I'm using these slotted steel pieces to make the frame for the shade cover for my battery, and to secure it to the wall I'm just using one section of that piece to hold it up. So this is what it looks like, the first one. I'm gonna put it up and measure out the rest of the other holes to drill for the screws. Okay, so I've got all that squared away now, and what I'm gonna do is, for this bottom bit, this is just temporary, so to keep the steel off the ground, I'm gonna use this here, and I'm gonna cut it to the right height and just put it in place of this plastic block here. Okay, so everything is in place now. I just have to go buy a fiber cement board to cover this area here, and down here so I've got that plastic square tube there, or square rod. I've got the screws on this side as well as in here, so it's the same as that. So what I'm going to do now is also etch prime this on both sides and then paint it black so it matches the frame. So before I tighten all the screws, I made sure to measure from that corner down to this corner. That distance should match this corner up to that corner, and all the sides are level. Okay, so this is the finished product. So I've got this Colorbond fencing panel. This width here is exactly 1 meter, so it lines up with these ribs, I guess. I've also put a cover on the top, so there's air gap here and air gap back here, and as you can see, this is on a slope down that way to make sure the water runs down here. So I didn't cover all the way back here because up here there's an eave. So that's it. Finished. Thanks for watching.